How to use One4all on Asos. So if you want to use One4all on Asos, then what you need to do is you just need simply go with your search, and under search you need to search for asos.com slash customer care slash and then enter, and it will take you under the customer care in Asos website. Now here you will have search option. Right here you need to search for One4all and then hit the enter. But if you don't find One4all, then what you can do is you can simply search for how do I use my One4all on Asos, and you may get the option of how do I use my One4all card on Asos. You can just simply click on the option. Once you click on the option, it will say that if you have an One4all card that you'd like to spend on Asos, you'll need to convert it to an Asos gift card first. So you just need simply click on the link below where you'll have One4all. You can just simply click on it and you can use your One4all card to pay for your Asos gift card at One4all checkout. And once you click on the link, then it will take you to this kind of interface. And here you will have the swap option. You can just simply click on swap. Or if you don't find the swap option right here, then you can just simply go with the top right, and then you need to go with my account section. Once you go with my account, then you need to sign into your account, and you will have a gift card and vouchers section. So you just need simply go with gift card and vouchers, and you will have an option to add a gift card. You just need simply go with it, and then you need to add your One4all gift card on your Asos. So that's how you can use One4all on your Asos. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.